Hey guys, the king of the kingdom again. Let's get it started.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of...
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Temmiy. Today's video, I'm going to have my husband do my for Eid. So in that case, I say Ramadan Kareem to all Muslim brothers and sisters out there. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I would. As you guys can see, I already have my brows done. I didn't want to give him like all the work. He's really not makeup savvy. He doesn't really know anything about makeup. Even if I do it a lot, he really doesn't know anything about it. So guys, he's going to be doing my voiceover. I know this is going to be hilarious, but like, let's see how it goes. Anyways, let's get straight into the video. If you're not subscribed to my channel, you know what to do. Click the subscribe button down below and join the Temmiy gang. We're worried. Yeah, thank you to everybody that shows love to my videos. I really appreciate them.
Things we do for love. We start with applying moisturizer. Now she's applying the face primer. Is this the one you always go to Walmart to buy? How many primer are we going to use? This is the second one. Oh girl, this is where all the money goes, Abby. Tell me, your skin is nice. Oh God, you. Which one is this orange tube again? Hey, this tube is turning you to orange like Ojuju. You know that Ojuju? Yeah, I know this one now. This one, is it not MAC? I believe this is a foundation, Abby. I remember, I think I used to see this one in my mom's wardrobe. Another cream again. How many are we using today? Today. Another one. Oh my God. Black color. Dudu. First it was orange. Now it's black. You're turning to a masquerade. It's very obvious I don't know anything about this makeup thing. Please, I'm begging you, just take it like that. I'm so new to this. This is a scam, I swear. This is a real scam. Your nose has completely changed. I can't even recognize you again. I know this one now. This is a face powder now. My mom has this one. This one. We have countless of these at home. And this one too, watercolor. I know this one from way back when my little sister used to use it to play around. Now she's applying a pencil. You have to be careful with this one. I don't know how you guys apply pencil to your faces. Eyelash application. This really looks good. To be honest, it looks actually good. Another watercolor. But this time around, she's applying it to her cheeks. Oh, God. The next is she's doing a lipstick. As you guys can see, I think this will actually make the lips so soft. Are we not done? At this point, I'm really tired. At least I've tried now. Happy. Mr. Novice, first timer. You people should help me with this one. Oh. I don't think I know this one. Please put it in the comment section. Let me know what this is called. Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce you to the queen of the castle. The makeup is A1. The outfit is A1. This is a perfect Eid look. You look so gorgeous. Wow, this is fantastic. Thank you everyone for listening to me today. Until the next time, the King of Kingdom sign out.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. Everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your